Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this face for the first time, please do consider subscribing if you like this video, and if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much for sticking around. So today's video is a Sarojini Nagar haul. This is actually the first time on my channel that I'm doing a Sarojini Nagar haul, and before you hate on me for shopping from Sarojini Nagar during this pandemic, let me just justify myself. Um, I went to Delhi last week, and it was for a very, very, very important thing. Trust me, I need to share that secret with you very soon, very soon. So, I had to go to Delhi, and I had the time. I was just nearby Sarojini Nagar, and I had the time. The situation there was panicky. I have never seen Sarojini Nagar so empty. I mean, like, it was a shock to me कि सरोजनी नगर इतना बदल जाएगा. Oh my God, this Corona has done something with our lives. But there were shopkeepers selling their items, offering us their items, and they were practicing social distancing. They were all in their masks, and they were all offering sanitizers before you pick out anything from their car, from their sorry, from their shop. Like I picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 items from there. It's a shock for me too. I don't encourage you to go there and shop from there. अभी थोड़े टाइम के लिए और but yeah, I did that, and I just wanted to share the stuff with you because I picked really cool things, I think, and at a very affordable price. So I just wanted to share, but please don't hate on me, okay? So the haul is a really small, very, very small. Like I told you, I purchased only 7 items from there, and we were there only for 1.5 hours. One of my friends accompanied me and my mother. So we picked up a very few items. One is the most favorite one of the lot is something that I'm wearing right now, and it's a top, and it's very, very comfortable top. And इसको मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ इसके प्रिंट की वजह से पिक किया था. आई डिडंट नो कि ये इतना कंफर्टेबल होगा. द क्लॉथ इज लाइक टू डाई फॉर. It's so breathable and it's so summery. I just loved it. And the next thing that I picked up is this. What do you call it? Shorts? Yeah, shorts. It is not actually shorts. These ये मेरे knees तक आते हैं, but I really like the print, and coincidentally I picked everything in white and blue. So everything you will see is in white or in blue or in a combination of white and blue. So that was not intentional, it was just pure coincidence. I really like these shorts. These are something that I'm planning to wear at home. These are pure cotton. I like the quality of the cloth. It is sometimes surprising how affordable things are at Sarojini Market. I fail to understand how they are priced at so low. I mean, you can easily. I have a similar kind of short, and I purchased it for 475. And this is just for you are not ready for it. 40 rupees. I mean, wow. So yeah, this top was for 100 rupees. The next on my shopping bag, in my shopping bag, is a top. Oh, yeah. Why is it so confusing? Okay, okay. It is this top, and this is something my mother picked up, and I instantly liked it. It is a very nice flowy top, and it's in the rayon कहते हैं शायद इसको. ये जो cloth है, it is in rayon, and yeah, it is sort of a V-neck, and it has chain at the back, and I really like the flow of this. It's layered, double layer, yeah, and it costed me 200. Yeah, it was for 200 rupees. The next thing is something, oh my god, I just fell in love with it at the first sight. It's this skirt. Now you can see how beautiful it looks. I don't know if the camera does the justice, but it's so beautiful. It has this, इसकाम को क्या कहते हैं exactly? I'm not sure, but ये cut वाला work है शायद. And I was surprised how is this available for only 200 rupees. I mean, if you go in any big store, ये आराम से 1000 का मिलेगा, उससे कम बिल्कुल नहीं मिलेगा. एंड इट्स सो नाइस. आई कैन see myself wearing it for festivals or puja at home, or even like small functions like engagement. I'll style it with a nice top or some boho jewelry, and yeah, it will look absolutely stunning. So next are actually not for me, it's for my brother. These are two baduras, and uh, again कॉटन, क्योंकि बहुत नखरे हैं उसकी और कोई मटेरियल पहनेगा नहीं, तो yeah, these are the two baduras that I picked, and it was for 150 each. Yeah, 150 each. And yeah, these are nice, pure cotton, and it fits in. लड़कों के कपड़ों के बारे में, I don't know what to say or like look for in them, but yeah, these just looks nice. So the next thing that I'm about to show you is एक्चुअली हम लोग अनप्लान्ड गए थे. हम लोग को लगा नहीं था कि इतना माहौल ठीक होगा कि हम सरोजनी जाके शॉपिंग कर पाएंगे. अदरवाइज तो एक दिन हम हमेशा दिल्ली की ट्रिप में सरोजनी मार्केट की शॉपिंग के लिए रखते हैं, बट वो एक अनप्लान्ड ट्रिप थी. सो वी डिडंट हैव एनीथिंग टू लाइक कीप आवर स्टफ इन, जो हम लोगों ने शॉपिंग करी थी. सो वी बॉट अ बैग, and it was also something needed by my mother. So this is a bag, the jute bag, and what I like about it is this rope wala, इसको क्या कहते हैं, belt. Anyways, so this is the bag, and I quite like it. It was only for $100, so it's a steal. So yeah, that was it for a mini Sarojini Nagar haul. I think I'll be going to Delhi next month, or in fact this month only, as per the requirements. I know I need to share a huge secret with you guys. Just stick with me. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to like get to know a huge secret of my life. And तब जाएंगे तो एक दिन मतलब अगर सर्कमस्टांसेस सही हुई एंड सिचुएशन सही हुई, थोड़ी सी आई थिंक इट इज इम्प्रूविंग इन दिल्ली, तो हम लोग और शॉपिंग करेंगे एंड देन आई विल ब्रिंग अनदर हॉल फॉर यू. आई ऑल्सो वांटेड टू बाय अ लॉट ऑफ like jewelry items from there, but I don't know, we just didn't click with the shopkeeper or something. He was overpricing it or something. So we bargained and he didn't let us. We left it there. Next time देखेंगे. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked, please do hit the like button and share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you soon again in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.